Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Imari Rai Ridarta. Recently, I work for the government of Gianyar Regency, Bali Province, Indonesia. I work in transport agency who has responsibility to maintain street lighting related to road safety. My topic is to inform whole participant about the problem and management of street lighting in Gianyar. It might be different with other topic which is related to health, but in the objective of this management is to make people or community happy, secure and safe. Before continue, I would like to introduce my mayor and vice mayor of Gianyar. Next. Ada Excellency Imari Mahayastra and Anak Agung Mayun for the period of 2018 to 2023. Gianyar is one region in Bali Province, has covered 365 km² or 6.53% of Bali. Gianyar located at the middle of Bali Island with about 500,000 inhabitants in 2019, and the density is about 1,381 person per kilometer. As a tourism destination with many tourist spots, Gianyar has at least 6 hospitals and 112 public health services. Road network in Gianyar about more than 600 kilometers. There were 5 zones of development to maintain or conserve not just physics but also non-physics such as culture and nature. The government of Gianyar has obligation to provide street lighting in whole Gianyar area in order to provide safety and security. To manage that kind of safety and security, the government of Gianyar Regency put the task on transport agency called Dinas Perhubungan. The task is to provide, maintain, and look after the availability and performance of street lighting around Gianyar region. Consists of 7 districts. Nowadays, the government of Gianyar has at least 7,000 pieces street lighting spread of whole area. The real need is about 15,000 to 16,000 pieces in order to shine the whole area within 50 to 100 meter distance. In order to take that task, there were 2 groups formed called upper group cover 3 districts and down group cover 4 districts. To support the policy, there were 10 workers, including 2 persons for doing survey and 2 special trucks with scale were provided. Traffic accident is one major factor cause death. There were some factor cause accidents such as speeding, not obey to the regulation, recklessness of the driver, lack availability of safety facilities such as sign, information, controller, and the limitation of street lighting at the dark road. To solve the problem, mainly to overcome dark road, street lighting is a good idea. But some problems also arise, such as the high frequency of street lighting of 1 or 2 points only, or blackout for wide area, especially in outlying places. Upper group respond little bit slow, limited of worker, only 10 persons, less electricity, less maintenance facilities, tools, truck and spare part. See slide 8. Illegal electricity connection by the community and the location of the position of street lighting a bit difficult. Next slide. And another slide. 2 tracks, one new and one old, will cover the problem. Many frequent that track had a problem, mainly skylift arms. The geography a bit difficult, especially at Upper Road 3 district, because it's highly narrow road and a bit wet. The problem also arises from the condition of the street lighting equipment. Next slide. Broken spare part need time to replace, and the panel frequently broken. For this kind of problem, we need additional time to prepare it. Next. Anyhow, the text must be taken into account. The unique of how to handle such problem is a part of interesting job that could not found everywhere, especially in the modern or smart city. By using a simple equipment and limited workers, the tasks were able to handle. The target is the light must on. The mechanism of the task begins when they have a report or complaint from the community. If the complaint just about a single or several street lighting off only, they will record and put on schedule to visit. But if the complaint about blackout or white area, the group will visit as soon as possible and put it as a priority, at least to check the problem. If they found the problem and able to fix it, they will fix it. But if the problem needs more attention or another equipment or tools, they will come at the next day. Special action have been taken to minimize illegal connection by the community. The community did that because they really need their area bright and there were no street lighting installed. However, they did wrong and the connection must be disconnected. What they did will be made the system of street lighting on that area down. The community is asked to propose their need to the government and it will be taken into account. The mechanism of handle to the problem that come from report or complaint from the community as diagram below. Report or complaint from the community will be received or noted by the complainant receiver, such as receptionist, staff, or even head office, direct or indirect. The report will be analyzed or checked by the PIC and make a contact by phone with the reporter to ask the problem and precise location and make appointment to visit. If the problem can handle immediately, the group will visit as soon as possible. But if the problem needs more time, they will arrange to visit at other time or day. Not all problem could be solved as the community wishes because of many factors such as the equipment not fit, no spare part available, and there were illegal connection. For this kind of circumstances, the group will inform the community. Next. Recently, the government of Gianyar developed a program to make a city center more bright and beautiful. All street lighting and a light for the garden will be changed by the new design that indicate Gianyar is one of artistic and tourism area. The light will be more convenient for not only traffic but also pedestrians who walk alongside that road. In this year, 2020, the program for the city center only due to the pandemic of COVID-19, where all budgets were concentrated to overcome the spread of COVID-19. The light's design is unique and very artistic. There is a different design of the pole alongside of the road and the middle of the road. Street lighting is an obligation of the government. The task is a part of transport agency, Dinas Perhubungan responsibility. Many problems arise from inside, limited worker, equipment, facilities, and budget. From outside, illegal connection on the network. To handle the responsibility, there were two groups to maintain the quality of street lighting in order to provide road safety and security and dark area. The mechanism of response of the problem by giving first priority to the blackout area. To increase safety, security, and panorama, beautiful scene, the government of Gianyar installed a new street lighting with a new design. The objective of the program is to make the community more happy, a part of health. Thank you for your kind attention, and we hope, criticize, and also assist them to make the task or obligation running well and make people happy, health, safe, and security. So,